this into internally.
Yeah.
But if you want,
who's the defendant?
I'm the defendant.
Yeah, Your Honor, he is the defendant. Also, one of the officers here that just fucked off, AJ Hunter, is going to be someone we're calling to the stand.
Yeah, I think he's the only witness.
Well, you, but
If this doesn't start in the next 2 seconds, I'm not gonna be here.
I'm ready to start it.
Okay,
the defense is ready.
Mac isn't
We
here.
are ready.
And we do have some pre-motions.
Okay.
It's good to see you, Coyote.
Yeah, it's good to be here. I ain't been here. Last time I was here, there's one Chang fellers. They threw Molotovs or some shit.
Hmm.
Y'all ever catch them?
Oh no.
I retired, sir.
I believe
I
we
go
did.
fishing now.
I believe we did, Your Honor.
Yeah, I got him 1 year. I put out a walk for him.
Hey, Ray?
Yeah.
And that is Ray
Have a
Lee.
seat.
I'm fucking dead.
What happened?
What do you mean? What happened?
I haven't seen you.
Yeah, I
Your
retired.
Honor,
and I go
the
fishing.
defense is ready to start.
No, I just think you remember denying that.
Yeah. Are you trying to like invoke your speedy trial?
I'm gonna let my lawyer speak.
We would like to make sure he gets his fair trial.
Yeah.
Sir.
He's saying you're ready to go, and like the other
Yeah.
side, like you want to like invoke the speedy trial. Is that what?
I would, Your Honor, like I said, we have pretrial motions. This is, yeah, the defense is being respectful of your time.
I don't think when they wrote, speedy trial and all that in the Constitution, they weren't thinking about a few minutes.
Yeah.
Well, I've had about 2 hours, Your Honor.
2 hours.
Croc
What's the
got
charges?
fired, haha. Dumbass.
Your Honor, sorry, I can't
Your-
understand you over the
hold on.
people in the back.
Your Honor, whenever are you able to view the report of why we're here, so you're aware of it as we get going? It is report 21562.
215. If I hear anybody in the back there mocking, running your mouth, talking shit, I'm gonna hold you in contempt.
I want to tell AJ, don't fuck me, bro.
What was the number again?
21562.
All right. Okay. Oh.
Max,
yeah,
sorry.
this was kind of spicy, huh?
Sorry, Your Honor, I'm late.
Spicy, so.
Just giving a press conference at MRPD and I came right here.
Okay.
What was that press conference over, Mac?
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
guys the prosecution?
We are the prosecution.
Okay. Who's gonna be the main prosecutor?
I guess I'll do it.
I guess.
right.
But he could stay.
Who wants to? I'll get you find out what happened. All right, but you got some pre-motions before we start, right? So
Yeah, do gotta. Well, Your Honor, the defense would ask for the immediate dismissal of these charges, the 2 counts of attempted aggravated assault and battery, due to the fact of no existing medical records, as well as my client acting in a lawful capacity at the time, which would break both the burdens of proof for the charge.
Where's where?
Well, I mean, I think it just happened. I don't think you'd expect to have any medical records.
It did not just happen, Your Honor. It's
No.
been the victims. Yeah, it's been a couple hours now, Your Honor. The victims did not get medical attention, despite the fact that I've just seen
No!
2.
Running right now.
Yeah.
Stop the cat.
Yeah, happened today, sir.
Okay. What is the other motion?
That is it. Motion to dismissal based on lack of burdens of proof.
What are the
Uh,
charges?
2-time attempted aggravated assault and battery, which requires 1 prong of the unlawful use of force, which
Mention the
Croc was
victim.
acting lawfully following state v.
Victims are
Garner,
pressing the
as well
charges.
as injury without any medical reports.
I mean, you could
There's no
shoot
proof
your
of injury.
firearm and still commit those crimes.
The victims are the ones pushing the charges. They're
The
not
victims, minus their statements, minus medical reports, it still doesn't change the fact of the matter that he fired his weapon towards civilians.
Yeah, I kind of want to hear this case out. Let's see where it goes.
I mentioned the people pressing the charges are not here.
Yeah,
Who said that?
as well, Your Honor. The two individuals who were pressing the charges are not in attendance today.
The two people that were shot at.
Affirmative.
Okay.
We don't need the civilians to formally press charges for a felony.
Okay. Well, who wants to give us?
That's not what they told me. They're
prosecuting
changing it.
core side?
They want to fuck me.
They're wanting to fuck you, Croc.
They wanting to fuck me. After all I fucking do for them, they want to fuck me. They want to fuck me.
You're homeless.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go into recess for 2 minutes.
Oh.
Okay.
They're actually trying to fuck me here. Like they're going all the way in. trying to
He's
fuck
right
me.
there. He's got a red hat.
Somebody wants to be a witness.
Like bro, PD's actually trying to fuck me. You know how fucking heartbreaking that is, bro?
They want
All of command is actively trying to go and fuck me right now.
immunity from what?
Like, we don't want to get sent
Like the minute it goes this way, it's like people fucking secretly hate me.
for being a witness.
Like when there's a minute the shit on Croc is like people just go all in.
You have to be searched.
People go all in to fuck Croc over, man.
What the fuck? We already got searched.
We all got searched. Yeah.
Man, I'm devastated, bro.
Fuck that.
AJ, say that one more time.
Everybody out. I'll say that shit with my chest too. You touch me?
Hell no.
You will be escorted out.
No, we
You
won't.
and what army?
Guys, stand up against these.
I
fucking
get told, man,
Oh,
fucking
Yeah,
people aren't gonna
come
fuck
here.
you, and then I embrace it, and then I get fucked, and people wonder why am I so fucking paranoid.
What the fuck?
Get him, AJ!
Oh my god, he's assaulting us.
They went against me immediately.
Already got searched.
BD's the biggest gang in the city.
Mac never had my back.
Already got searched, dog.
That's crazy.
Clear the room.
Mac did not have my back at all.
care.
Nobody in this courtroom has been searched.
Oh my god, man, what's going on there?
Grown ass man, talk to me like a grown ass man.
Oh, yeah, sure.
The fuck? Like,
I can't believe how quickly
Man, if y'all don't
everyone wants to
shut the
flip on
fuck
me.
up,
I got flipped on
you're
immediately.
going to prison for a year.
The cops are harassing people,
I
Judge.
don't give a shit. Shut up
Bro,
while
they
you
they
get
flipped on
arrested.
me immediately, man. I got flipped immediately.
public courtroom?
I ain't even gonna lie. That's a good ass response.
Let's go. It's
All
public.
right, everybody out.
It's not public.
You
Get the
just
fuck
searched me
out.
right now. You're
Okay.
right next to me. You already searched me once.
That's crazy.
I already got searched. The fuck?
I can't believe how quickly I got flipped on.
I already
For a victimless crime!
We're just asking everyone to leave.
Bro,
and we're
Croc
gonna
does
bring people in
one
at a
thing
time.
fucking wrong, bro, and that's all flip on him, man.
search me now.
That's insane.
Disobeying a lawful order by.
Shaggy, I love your cartoon.
Come on.
As soon as
Yeah.
it, dude,
Exit
that's
the
crazy.
courtroom.
Hey, hold on. Hey, Your Honor. Hey, Your
You
Honor.
too, sir.
What?
Your Honor. May
just wanna search me. You're gonna
may I approach?
That's
Yeah,
insane.
yeah, approach.
Yeah.
Approach? All right.
They never
He
had my
just said I
back.
can approach, bro. Shit.
What's up?
Can you pat me down real quick?
Can you pat me down?
I don't want to stand in the fucking line. Just
You
to
pat me
search
down? Pat me
Just
down,
search
please.
Search me.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah.
Pat me down. Ignore the
And
joints. I'm
search,
fucking
both.
getting high. I don't give a fuck.
Both, and then we can re-enter.
Yeah, but then you don't get searched again.
In the line for ADHD, motherfuckers.
Is this not common sense?
It is common sense.
This fucking 15-second thing is gonna get drawn out into weeks of pain and misery for me, is what it's gonna be.
I'll take a search
Under my
just to
chair.
prove I ain't got nothing.
Thank you. I'm good.
You know, Croc, you
Morning, Carter.
can take him to school, you can teach them, and still don't do any. It don't even matter.
Sometimes I question why I bother, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Is your car outside, Tom?
All right. So, the witness that wants immunity to be here to testify, if they come, as soon as they step foot in this courthouse, they will be arrested for their warrants. Denied.
Are you got dollars for me?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I think let's get this showing. Who wants
Molotov, Croc, move. Croc,
Oh,
move.
god damn it, you missed, bitch! I still live, motherfucker! Get the fuck out of my fucking way, move
Thrown
it!
in the courtroom.
Well,
Tonight
nobody
will
was
be
aiming
the
for
night
you.
that I will fall for.
Oh shit, it was the
Pretty
judge.
You're not police? Yeah, you're not the police.
Yeah, don't make me change
Negative, I don't have values.
Oh no, the judge is gonna burn.
Judge.
Croc with me.
Oh god.
Clear the courtroom. It is not safe.
Bobby's a hero.
Robbie's gotta go stab him. I'm over here.
No, get.
That's
Step
fun.
out.
I'm right here.
Stay.
Oh, hi, Ray.
I'm right here.
I got this.
Yeah, stay here.
I'm right fucking here.
What's up, Ray?
I know. Howdy.
Morning, guys.
Good now? Is it good? Is it crispy? Is it like toast? It's like toast?
I can't get out. I'm a judge and growing up in Cambridge for life. We go in.
It was right here.
Okay, then what's wrong with being blonde? You're ginger.
What the fuck am I supposed to do? This is gonna take longer than fucking
I hate
I
this.
thought.
I'm hating everything.
I'm tired as fuck.
It's a shit show is what it is.
All right. Here's the crazy thing, Croc. One of the witnesses is around right now, despite them saying they weren't.
Everyone, Liana.
Yeah, he's got a warrant for his arrest.
Where the fuck is everyone?
So he's wanted at the time, right?
Yeah, he was wanted.
Was he wanted for a violent felony?
I guess we're about to find out. I don't know.
All right. Courtroom's locked down. Are these three individuals part of your team?
Hey.
Yes, they are.
Mountain.
Okay, just making sure.
because that guy
You gonna search me again? Or?
Sir,
dogs, peanut, ice cream. I got all your trial snacks.
sir, the door's locked. If you're not involved in the case, you have to leave.
It's always that one guy, sir. It's always that one guy.
I'm the courtroom salesman. I'm the guy, like a
You wanna pipe me down, boss? Sergeant?
No.
Thank you, Sands.
We're not gonna need any salesmen today, sir.
Hey, listen, Croc, I have your back no matter what, all right?
No, do not, sir.
Anything the commissioner officer is accusing against you, all
Say
right?
it.
Yeah.
I got a pickle.
Your aggressor, fully blacked out, black duster coat, black balaclava head, eyes seen
Carter!
out
Carter!
with a Saints chain on.
All right.
Sidebar. Private. Locked down. If they're not involved in the case, they're not coming into the courtroom.
Yeah, if he's a wanted, if
I
he
can't
wanted
believe it.
fugitive at that time.
And they arrested me instead of them? I can't believe how fake these motherfuckers are. They flipped on me immediately. Immediately flipped on me.
And I wanted to join this PD, but they're
And look
doing
who's
this
here
to
for
you,
you.
They
Chief.
flipped on me immediately.
They're doing this to you, Chief.
So you said black trench coat, right?
Yeah, had a black trench
Oh.
coat,
Do this to
fully
you,
fully
Chief.
blacked out. You could see the circle around his eyes of skin. He was.
I was role
light-skinned.
playing it, but I wasn't
Had
actually
a
trying
Saints chain
to.
on, like a big silver Saints chain. He came through the side door, stepped out, pulled the Molotov, and threw it.
I'm 1 year older than you.
No, I'm,
He may
no,
he may
I'm
still
not
be in the
being-
courthouse.
Scott, sir, I haven't actually fired anyone. Everyone that I fired can come back. Including the two people I fired.
What was the press conference before this, Sans?
Oh, it never happened.
Might as well go. They're not letting anybody in.
It literally never happened. Never started nothing. I didn't hear a word.
Damn fucking straight.
I let the
Damn
officers know what 3
fucking
and 1,
straight.
and I've
And the
been-
people
wait,
that
so what's
actually got
going on?
fired were doing criminal shit. Like straight up actual criminal shit. Like method
Hey,
shit.
Chief, I hope you win this court case, all right? Make me proud, Ray. I'm
Wait,
sure, you're a
even
great
if I
lawyer.
win, I don't know I'm coming back. The bunch of people up the top, they are all a bunch of liars. They're all playing pretend. They were just putting up with me. Their true intentions are coming out right now. Watch very
It goes to
closely.
show, yes, sir. It goes to show that no matter how much you be honest with them, just as the other, they still don't care about you, right?
No, they're going out of their way to fuck me right now. They're flipping the script. All of them are there trying to get rid of me. They can't stand me right now, and it's all showing. They're all pounding on the fuck Croc arc right now that they've been sitting at the back of their fucking minds.
Yeah, I understand. Well, I hope you prove them wrong, Chief. All right. I hope you prove them wrong.
Well, it's not
I'm
looking
sure you
good for
will.
me. It's all this is pending on Ray.
Ray is a good lawyer. Ray will cook, as he
Well-
always does. Right, Ray?
I mean, I'll be honest. Thankfully, PD is PD.
Yeah. Exactly. So you know, I'm sure you'll cook. I'm sure you got this. All right, I'm gonna go inside and see what's going on. Good luck, Chief.
You all right? You get burned at all? Anything?
I'm fine. I just can't believe how quickly I thought people I trusted
By the
flipped
way,
on me.
Judge is calling you guys.
What's up?
Yeah, food.
Croc, you're not the first person I've seen him get turned on that quick.
I turned on immediately.
Did the Molotov even explode?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, it did.
All right.
Yeah, like
Defense,
definitely.
you're catching on. The courtroom's locked down. It's gonna be a private case because people can't
Yep.
be good.
Also, Your Honor, I just want to raise. I mean, the prosecution claimed that a witness was unavailable because they weren't around, and yet this individual is currently in the yellow pages. Are we able to, Alex Suarez?
It's not
Yo,
what I'm talking about.
I've already
Taco.
ruled on that. Is they have active warrants, right? And if they come here, they want immunity, and I will not grant them that.
Also, Taco Prince is unavailable. I was just one of two.
If his rap sheet was a little smaller, then maybe I could work something out. But he's, yeah.
He's wanted for court charges, Your Honor. I
Yeah.
agree with the ruling.
All right. So who wants to start first in the prosecution?
Okay.
All
I can't believe
Mac,
Knox
so
and
truth,
Mac
truth,
flipped
truth,
on me
truth,
like
you,
that.
Whatever.
Flipped on
I
me
do.
so quick.
All right. Tell me what happened.
I'm representing this case as a third party. I'm not one of the direct individuals involved from the officers.
In a fucking hallway is
Grab
not far
him
enough
and-
away.
Grab him and
I
take
say 1 year, please.
Yeah, he's going for 1 year.
No, I'm not. Fuck you.
1 year ago.
Okay.
what charge for you?
Facts of the matter is,
Contempt.
Croc had he had an involvement earlier in or just prior to this incident where he was stabbed, brought to LSMC for medical, received his medical, went outside, saw two suspects
Well, let me
two.
stop you real quick.
Yes.
Were you witness to any of this?
No, I'm just representing the
So
state.
you're just okay. So you're just giving me. Third
Would you like
party
the
what
direct
happened.
statements from the officers?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's-
All
I
right. We'll
can read all
do
that
no
report.
openings. All right.
Yeah. There's no openings in bench trial.
Easy.
Okay. A witness to whatever happened that can talk.
Your Honor, before we continue, since you did close it off, we do have the option to live stream this to the news outlets. Would you like that?
Yeah, sure. I don't mind it. I don't want.
Yeah, but Brandon,
I don't
like,
mind if people
I
see
let
it.
them
I
back
just don't
in.
want people trying to be the center of attention. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I understand, sir. Go ahead
Yeah,
and
sir, it's
send it
that,
out.
yeah, you have the.
I just didn't
Twitter
think,
feed
like,
if
I
you
didn't think
wanna
we'd
do
go
it.
this
It's
far.
right there. So just so everyone's aware, that's the camera.
Bro, I can't believe how many people.
It can
all
hear you, so if you guys
all
are trying to
four of them
have a
flipping on
conversation,
me
just make sure you're whispering.
immediately. They
All right,
flipped on
so
me
is there a
immediately.
witness that's seen all this in the prosecution side? Do y'all have one?
I can't believe it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Who's
Am
that?
I
Is that
called up,
Knox?
or am I giving just a statement?
Yeah, you can come up. Come up. Come up right here to the stand in front of me.
You have a right to fake. Where's my accuser?
Okay, so what had happened was.
Wait. You supposed to tell the truth, the whole truth, the truth to help you, whatever?
Yes, I do.
No.
All right, now tell me.
I can't believe how much they flipped.
So from what I saw, I was processing a report from a prior scene where Croc was stabbed when he was being treated in the hospital. When he came out from being treated, I was finishing my report. I was looking at my MDT. A car pulled up. Croc asked me permission to open fire. I said no. He took my assault rifle and he proceeded to shout at them until, and that's when I put my MDT down. I pulled my gun to back him up. I didn't know what was going on. I went to grab my rifle. I realized that he had taken my rifle off of me.
I don't know why they're trying to
So I
fuck
grabbed
me.
my
I'm on their
pistol,
side.
And then he began to open fire on the vehicle. At which
Did he
point
just
I
say
tried
pistol?
to tackle him twice to stop him. To no avail. Guy's built like a brick house, or whatever the saying is. Eventually he stopped, and I told him to turn around, and I put him in handcuffs.
All right. Yeah, he's bald. That's for sure. All right. Does the defense have any questions for this officer?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I just ask from here, or would you like me to step up to the microphone?
Ask from there. Ask from there.
Commissioner Knox, did you have any visual of the individuals in the car prior to Crocodile Steve shooting?
I had visual of them when he was aiming the gun, but prior to him aiming the gun, I did not.
What could you see?
From what I saw, I put my tablet down and I just saw him aiming the gun at them and shouting at them. If you want me to go word for word for what he said, I honestly don't recall. And eventually he started shooting at them.
What did you see descriptors of the individuals in the vehicle?
I saw an overweight male with a mask on, and another gentleman in the passenger seat. That's the most bland, most basic-looking human being on the planet. Also wearing a mask.
Okay, and at that time,
I believe.
You believe? Were you
I
able?
believe he was wearing a mask.
Were you able to see any weapons in the vehicle at that time?
I did not. As they were reversing, it was quite difficult to see if they had any firearms in their hands or in the back seat or anything.
Okay, seems to be safe to say, you know, they could have had weapons in that vehicle.
Sure.
Okay. That's all I got for him, Your Honor.
I guess can I ask questions then?
Yeah, I mean, if you want to.
All right. You said they were reversing. Were they reversing towards or away from him?
No, they were like reversing away from him, pointing the gun at them.
1 year, they were warned.
Like they were trying to leave the parking lot.
No, fine.
Would you say that they were in
Can you ask that first question again? Sorry.
Yes. Were the individuals in the vehicle reversing towards or away from Crocodile?
He was reversing away from them as if they were trying to exit the parking lot. Which, after they were open fire upon, they did exit the parking lot.
Would you say that there was any direct threat from these individuals? Was there any imminent danger on scene when they were in the vehicle?
No.
Objection.
What's the objection?
Speculation. Knox here has said he didn't have much view of what was going on the scene until the end result because he was looking at his tablet.
Yeah, well, he's asking what under his impression when he was there, you know, what Croc might be under, and his impression could be different. Maybe we'll get to the bottom of that, but that question's allowed. It's overruled.
Did I answer?
You can answer.
Well, the question was there any imminent threat?
Any imminent threat or danger at that current time from these individuals in the car?
Based on my experience, I would say no.
Were there any verbal threats made during the altercation?
From
Objection.
What's the objection?
Again, speculation. Knox's direct answer to me was he could not recount what had been said during the altercation.
All right, I'll accept the objection of asked and answered.
Do you
Go
believe
ahead and reword that if you can there, Mac.
Okay. You may not have heard what was being said, but was there any yelling from the individuals in the car?
Yes, I believe they were yelling.
Did it sound aggressive?
It sounded panicked.
Sorry, let me collect train of thought. Do you believe the shooting was justified?
I do not.
Would you say the shooting had malice?
Objection.
What's the objection?
Speculation, Your Honor. Trying to get the mens rea of my client.
Yeah, I'm going to sustain that. You know, he's nowhere in his testimony has he stated that there was malice. He said that he didn't see any reason to do it. He denied him to shoot. But as far as what's Croc's reasoning, I haven't heard anything. Just his point of view, which was limited from his own testimony.
As a rebuttal, I mean, you've already weighed on this, but would you like to hear a rebuttal?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, we have to make these. We have to speculate on different levels of these charges all the time. Malice being one of them. So I was just questioning his ability to identify what type of charge as he saw it on scene.
Yeah, I mean, it'd still be the same because we know that he shot the gun. That's what's implied. Malice, intent. He's not going to be able, unless he knows why Croc shot that gun. He's not going to be able to improve intent or the malice. It's just going to be his subjective opinion.
Well, it could have been based off of what he heard.
We
Croc
already
saying
know
at
what
the
he
time.
heard. We already asked him.
Okay. Well, you said you didn't hear from the suspects in the individuals in the vehicle, but not necessarily Croc himself.
Right. So were you asking, did Croc say anything?
Well, that's why I was asking about the malice in case maybe there was something that was
going.
going.
If you want to ask about what Croc said, since he's in the room and it won't be hearsay, we can hear
sure.
about that.
Sure. Did Croc make any
I wasn't even
verbal
trying
threats
to,
or any sort
Bazza.
of
I wasn't even
motion
trying
or
to.
de-escalate?
Did you not say you didn't hear?
I mean, I said earlier that I didn't hear him once he took my gun, but as I said before that, he asked if he could open fire just as they pulled up, and there was really no threat at the time at all. He just asked if he could open fire because he was just stabbed at the cubby.
I see.
Let me correct
All
myself. He didn't say because he was stabbed at the cubby, but that is what just had happened 5 minutes earlier.
I see. Okay. No further questions. I think we've exhausted.
Okay, I got a bunch of questions.
Yes,
all right.
Your Honor.
So the individuals in the car, do you believe those were the individuals that stabbed him?
Sorry, Hunter is talking. I cannot hear you, Your Honor.
Oh, sorry. I was whispering. My bad.
Okay, so to answer your question, you said, sorry, what did you say? Do I think that they were at the scene?
The individuals that stabbed him earlier, do you believe those were the individuals in the car?
I know that the individual who stabbed him was currently being pursued at that time. It was an individual in a white tank top, and neither of them were wearing white tank tops. However, they could have been there when it happened. I have no confirmation or.
Well, you're trying to you kind of put together the stabbing and then him shooting and being that was where the anger might have came from, and I'm trying to figure out how you're linking that at all to this car.
Well, they were wearing CG masks, and he was just stabbed by members he was just stabbed at the cubby where members were present.
So it was CG members that stabbed him, and it was CG members in the car.
It was not CG members that stabbed him, but they were present when he was stabbed.
Okay.
Those two specific individuals, I cannot confirm if they were there when he was stabbed.
But you do think that him shooting had something to do with the stabbing?
I mean, yeah, but not to, assume what he was thinking, but I can only assume he wouldn't have wanted to just open fire on anybody that pulled up to the hospital. There was some reason for it being them two.
What do you think that reason is?
I think it was because of the mask.
The stabbing wouldn't be relevant to this at all, but we're talking about it for a reason.
Yeah, I'm saying that the stabbing was at the cubby, which is where CG is, and there were CG members there, and he took my gun to shoot the first two CG members he saw after the stab.
Okay. Are you aware what officer immunity is?
Are you talking about qualified immunity?
Yep.
We don't have that.
No qualified immunity at all in the state?
Yeah, we don't have qualified immunity.
Okay.
We lost it after a few incidents. We no longer have qualified immunity.
I don't know why any of you would ever be a cop, but all right.
That fucks
Your
me.
Honor?
Yeah.
I disagreed with it at the time. I still disagree with it. We are held liable for our own. Well, I mean, I guess it sounds bad when you
President said, in case, Your Honor, you can always make a change.
Well, I think we do have a mayor now, don't we?
No such thing
Have you met
as
Leo?
qualified immunity. So I don't know how I'm meant to do any police work.
The thing is, qualified immunity, it doesn't do necessarily what a lot of people think you do. A lot of people look at qualified immunity under this like death lens. But really, all it means is if the officer breaks the law, but he's doing it in good faith, meaning he under his point of view, and you sincerely believe him in his point of view that he was doing it for the right reason, that he wasn't trying to break a law, they're protected.
I can't eat and drink. You keep telling me about it.
But if we don't have it, I mean, we don't have it. Fuck. All right, do you have any more questions for him at all?
Were any radio communications made over from Chief Police Crocodile Steve?
Not that I recall.
The defense will have questions, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Commissioner Knox, just confirming, you are the one who placed Croc into cuffs.
I did, yes.
Why did you not interview him at that time about the situation?
You're talking about on the scene?
Yeah, to ascertain the scene, what was going on, to understand.
Well, for one, it was just myself, Hunter, and Croc at the time, and he did just shoot at two violent, felons. So I didn't rule out them coming back upset about what had just happened to them. Also, as a form of
Wait, we
respect,
know
I
who
had to
the
get 'em off the
individuals are.
street.
We know who the individuals are.
Yeah.
Yes,
their
Your Honor.
Statements are in the report.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
And then, as a sign of respect, I didn't want an fellow officer in handcuffs on the side of the road. I wanted to get him back to MRPD, which is what we did.
Okay. With you being the arresting officer, at which point did you Mirandize him and then ask him questions to understand what had happened on the scene?
He was never questioned regarding that. He was read as Garrity, and that was it. Nothing we asked him regarding that has been used against him.
Wait. Let me get this straight. So, he shot. You don't know why he shot, but you're thinking it has something to do with the stabbing. But you didn't really see because you were reading your tablet. But you didn't ask, hey, why did you shoot these people? So anything could have happened. They could have pulled guns and pointed at him, and you didn't see it, and you didn't ask.
Holy fuck.
I didn't ask.
Why?
Because I saw, as soon as he started pointing the gun, I put the tablet down.
Right, but he's been in custody since then, right?
Well, we read him as Garrity and did a whole interrogation on that.
What did he say?
Well, Your Honor, I would object to Garrity being used in
I
court.
agree.
But to this point, my client is still yet to be Mirandized and criminally questioned for his actions there.
Well, I would have to say that your client's probably in a situation where he has to explain his actions.
Oh, he intends to, sir. He
Well,
intends to.
Yeah.
Should I at this point?
Yeah, exactly. Once we knew it was a bench trial, I was gonna
Well,
just let him go on the stand.
I don't get how. Why would you even press these charges without even asking him? I'd understand if you said I asked him and he pled the fifth, right? That makes sense.
Well,
Then he'd be
as
like,
soon as I put him in cuffs, he pled the fifth.
You didn't Mirandaize. You just said you didn't ask him any questions. You just brought him here to do it.
I did it.
I'm so confused by this.
Well, so I think I should just play the fifth at this point.
Us as well, Your Honor.
Okay. So you're unaware of why he did any of this?
Besides him wanting to open fire on them, yeah, I guess.
They could have pulled a gun and you didn't see it? That could have happened?
It could have. Unlikely, but yeah.
All right. You got any more questions? Go ahead and ask.
Is it standard to not ask questions of an individual you put into cuffs when you need to investigate?
Depends if you're gonna ask them questions.
That's all I got, Your Honor.
If I was going to question him, I would have. As soon as I put him in handcuffs, he said he was pleading the fifth. I brought him down, and we went straight into his Garrity.
All right. I don't have any questions left for you. Do you have any, Mac?
I think as soon as I
think
talk,
I'm
I
good.
fuck myself.
Okay. Actually, I got one more. At any time was.
I just played the
Croc
fifth, right?
in
It's your
interrogation
choice
room?
if you would like to go up.
No, you pick. You pick.
Yeah.
All right. You can go back.
I think the case stands. I think you telling your truth.
All right. Any other witnesses? Prosecution?
Yes, sir.
Just don't throw.
Yeah, that's hard to do that with me.
I know.
All right. This is AJ Hunter.
Yes, sir. AJ Hunter.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, no truth, so help you.
AJ admitted to me he didn't witness any of it.
Well, do you?
So I didn't hear what you said, sir.
You're gonna be a great witness. I said, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you, something like that.
Lock it the fuck in, AJ.
Something like that.
Which were on
yes,
my
sir.
side, Lane.
Right.
But what is something
Everyone
like
secretly
that?
hated me.
I don't know. I don't know what you bow your head to. Ask us a question.
You want me to ask you questions?
No.
I'll start it off. AJ, can you describe the incident at hand and surrounding the stabbing to the medical center and the shooting?
Are you happy?
Sir. So,
Are you happy, chat?
Chief Croc was taken hostage, which
didn't tell me to
eventually
heal,
led to
so
a
I'm doing
chase,
that.
and they took him inside the cubby. An individual stabbed Croc, and they started fleeing. This individual got into a car with someone else, and officers opened fire on the individual, and he was taken into custody. The driver of the guy who stabbed Croc. At this point, me and Knox, we went into the cubby. We secured Croc. We got a medical, and we triaged him near the like the Lucky Plucker opposite the cubby. And we had one individual in custody. Croc said, "Nah, this is not the guy that we had. This is not the guy that stabbed me." And then the guy we had said, "Oh no, I was the driver for him." So then at this point, we went to the hospital. We got Croc medical, and then I went into my car, and I was just sitting there. And after about like a minute or two, I heard gunshots, shots being fired. And then I see Knox and Chief Croc running back towards the car, like in panic, like, oh, like saying some words. I'm not exactly too sure what it was, but they were like
they
panicking.
make those sounds? Like
that, like, what's going on? What have you done?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Keep going.
And then there was a black vehicle that was like circling, saying,
"Yeah,
what the fuck? Why
Mr.
did you
Zink,
shoot us?
thanks
What
for
the
the
fuck
prime,
is
man.
this?"
Thank you.
And then the two individuals got out the car.
What?
They did not have any weapons or anything.
What?
And they were like,
What? Ravage, you fucking me! God damn it!
Croc just shot us. Croc just shot us. What the fuck is this? And one of the sorry, that's the individual calling me now. Sorry, apologize.
I'm getting fucked.
One of the individuals then took a camera out, screaming, "Croc just shot us! Croc just shot us! Are you guys gonna take evidence? Are you gonna fucking do
Sometimes
anything?
two people love
make
it.
a report?"
What? Ravage? What? Huh?
Knox
huh?
and Croc were in the car with me, and then Knox told me, "Hey AJ, get out, go grab the evidence. Croc, let's go talk." And they went into the corner and started talking. At no point did I hear, while I was in the car, did I hear any comms of anything, to be honest. Nothing was said over the radio.
You said Knox and Croc went in the corner and was talking?
They went like outside the hospital and like up the road a little bit. And then I just collected evidence on the scene. The two victims were just chilling there with a camera out saying, "We just got shot. What is going on? Why are we getting shot for no reason?" And they were just chilling outside
As
the
for
hospital.
Croc,
No one tried
so
to like
far,
apprehend
good.
them or
But now I gotta
really
speak.
do anything with them. Just
And that
question them,
means it
that was
goes bad.
But you said Knox was with Croc in the corner talking.
Yeah, they went into the car and then they just drove a little bit up the
But
road.
Knox told us that he basically pled the fifth and no conversation happened.
Yeah.
Oh well, okay.
Can I
So
answer, Your Honor?
point of view,
Now
they
we're past that.
The F5, you just roll the
so I don't know
commissioner's
if
third
they were
X right for
talking or
transferred.
not. I'm just saying that they went. Okay, when I said talking, what I meant was. Knox said
Don't
he has to
fire
go
me,
talk
man.
with
I
Croc.
need this. I
don't know, I didn't hear the
enjoy this
conversation
too
or if they
much.
actually did talk. He just told me, "Hey AJ, take the evidence. I have to talk to Croc quick." But I wasn't present in the conversation or anything.
I'm fucking
Do y'all
so
have, like,
nervous,
any,
dude.
personal vendetta or anything like that against Croc?
Nah.
What, am I allowed to answer that?
Yeah, actually, I'm
No.
curious. Okay.
And then that was it.
I'm starting to think I should
You
just
got,
be
you got
quiet.
any questions, Mac?
Yep. When the individuals are outside the vehicle from the car, did you see any visible weapons?
No, they had no weapons out. One had his hands up and one had a camera who was recording.
This is when they came back after the shooting, right?
This is at the hospital.
Well, they didn't really come back. They were just still there. They were just like, driving in a circle.
I'm trying to get my time reference here, because you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this point where he sees that the car, is this before?
Did they
Croc
search the
shot at
car?
him?
No. We're gonna talk
Sorry,
about that.
they were talking. I can't really hear. What'd you say, sir?
Is this before Croc shot at him that you're talking about right here? With the individuals in the
No,
car?
this was after. So after they got shot at,
They came back.
But they didn't. When you say came back, they were still in the vicinity. Like you still see them in the parking lot, just driving around.
Yeah, that's what I would do if I got shot at.
I could be the
Oh,
fifth
bro,
ex-wife.
Shoot at me some
Look,
more. Some
just
real,
look, Croc.
geniuses out
Just
here we
look,
got,
Croc's
huh?
got it. Look, just bring in a lover for Croc, and we'll be
All right,
good.
continue.
Okay, we'll be just fine.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Oh, you want him to continue?
No, you can answer your question.
Okay.
Petey's kind of throwing. I can't lie. It's.
Did they appear threatening when they got out of the vehicle?
I just can't believe Mac
No,
is
they were
flipping
like,
on me.
"Oh, I got
Why
hit,
is he
I
not
got hit."
supporting me?
Why'd I get shot?
Did any of them go and receive medical?
Yeah, they went into the hospital. They said they spoke to Nancy.
Did both of them?
I believe both of them did, yes.
Objection.
It's ejection.
Speculation. Mac asked if they received medical, and Hunter here says he believed they spoke to Nancy.
Okay, sorry.
Yes.
I just want clarity on that.
All right, then ask for clarity. Don't eject it. What's the?
Oh, sorry, Your Honor.
What'd you
Sorry.
hear? What'd you see? What do you believe? Tell me
Yeah,
your
I
feelings.
know. Okay, I know.
You can't handle the truth, AJ.
I can. Taco Prince received medical. I'm not sure about Suarez. But he told me he did, but I didn't physically see it.
Okay. How long? Okay, so after the shoot, you said one of them jumped out with a camera.
Yes.
And how long was he recording before they possibly entered the building?
Like he started recording. He was like, "Why'd you guys shoot us? Why'd you guys shoot us?" About like 20 seconds, and he put it away. And then I think he went into the hospital. with
Baby
his big
Finch
friend,
and Croc's
and then they
son.
came
No.
out,
Oh,
and then they
bro,
started
Croc's
recording
gonna be
again.
even uglier.
The actual crime scene.
Oh no.
And then they interviewed me after.
Okay.
So I meant really. Oh, I could be a nepo baby. I can actually be a nepo
Do
baby.
you believe the shooting was justified?
Objection.
How would he know he wasn't there?
I had softball. We got to try.
No. Sustain.
I don't think I have any questions, seeing as yeah, that's all I got.
I got some questions, Your Honor.
Go for
Hey,
it.
don't talk shit about Prodigy, chat.
Trooper
This is
Hunter,
roleplay.
Are you the individual who documented
As frustrating
the
as it
forensics on
is,
the
it is
scene?
still all roleplay.
Yes, sir.
It's not a CG, sir.
During your documentation,
I
did you
support
find
Ravage a lot.
any blood on scene?
There was no blood on scene. No.
Is it common in your experience as a trooper
This is a good line of questioning.
that someone gets shot and does not leave blood on scene?
See, this is a sticky one because if they're in a car, then no. But it's like sticky, you know what I mean? Like,
Did he investigate the car?
Did you investigate the vehicle that was shot?
Yeah.
yeah, there's a picture of it in the
Ravage said it's real and true.
MDT.
I don't doubt
Or
it.
in the
I'm
report,
joking.
sorry.
Just for clarity's sake, which vehicle was it? There's quite a few vehicles in that picture.
I just can't believe how many of them
It
are
was the black
flipping on me.
Portal.
I'm getting flipped on so hard.
Okay, who is the owner of that vehicle?
That's I'm unsure of.
At any point, were you relayed any information about the events leading up to the shooting?
These, Rabbit, these
Nothing
guys
was relayed.
flipped on the fuck Croc crew immediately.
Were the individuals
I can't believe it.
that were claiming to be the two victims, were either of them
I'm
GSR
gobsmacked.
tested?
They were not GSR tested, no.
And did they receive the medical attention before or after speaking with you to give a statement?
Please
To
say
the best of your recollection.
So when I gave them the, when they came to me for their statement, they got medical before.
Okay. Is there any reason that your statement is copy paste for each of them?
Look, SBS has
Because they said-
I was doing a
it's
bit
not
of
copy and
SBS,
pasted, but they said the exact same
but
thing.
you can't force other people to say there's no consequences
They're like
to your
those,
actions, right?
Like those trapeze
You know?
artists.
Yeah, they literally said the exact same word
Hey,
for
what's
word.
going on?
You can't like just do SBS to someone and then say, oh, it's SBS. You can't fucking hurt me, you know? Like you can't do that. So,
We'll get there.
so it sucks that this is happening, but like it is good roleplay. But I just feel bad because now like I'm losing
Pick it up a
chief.
little
It's
bit.
game over.
Hey, that's
I'm
all I
fucked,
got,
man.
Your Honor.
I'm fucked.
He wasn't there to see the start
All
of it.
right.
That's
Hey,
where my
Robbie.
questions are.
I got a few questions.
How you going,
for
Robbie?
Let's just make it quick.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Who were the two individuals that were in the car?
Alex Suarez and Taco Prince.
Were any of those individuals wanted?
No.
What?
None of them have a warrant out for them right now?
No, not. When I look at the wanted list, I don't see them there. Even right now, I don't see it.
If you check their profiles,
Yeah, I checked their profiles. It doesn't say wanted or anything.
Okay.
For me, it actually
Clarifying-
doesn't.
Clarifying, yeah, we have a statute of 30 days, but the wanted post shows that it's only less.
Yeah, I
14.
fell on an RP sword is what happened.
So they are wanted?
I
It
went
takes
a bit
a bit
too
more
far.
digging to
Yes,
figure
one of
that
them
out.
is Suarez is wanted, but the way that the system works, it's the statute of limitations is 30 days, and when you mark them as
I appreciate
as
it,
being wanted,
Ravage.
it lasts for 14
I
days.
fucked,
so it's
like,
in that
yeah.
little gap in between when he wasn't marked.
I'm getting fucked, man.
No, I'm saying like you got to re-up the wanted that he's wanted.
Were you?
I
aware
know,
that
Ravage. I know.
he-
Like this
they
is good
were-
roleplay, but it's fucking
No.
stressful,
about
man.
you,
I'm
Knox?
stressing
You
the
aware?
fuck out. Like it's good, but I'm
At
stressing.
the
You
time,
know.
I knew that Suarez was wanted,
Okay.
but I didn't know Suarez at the time.
I appreciate you, Ravage, looking out for me, man. You're a real
Okay.
one.
So whenever Knox was with Croc, you were with the two individuals in the car finding out who they were. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yep. Well, they were out on foot at this point, but yeah.
All right. Well, I guess my next question was, why didn't you arrest them? But I guess you didn't know they were wanted.
Yeah, pretty much. And I didn't JSR test them because.
If you knew they were wanted, would you have arrested them?
Oh yeah, of course I would have.
Yeah, of course. They're a wanted criminal, sir.
All right. Any other questions? Anybody? We can move this along.
I don't have a question, but I would like
If
to
you-
point out some evidence.
if you don't go up to Tulsa,
Yeah, go ahead.
if you do go
there was
up,
only
it's
one
kinda
set
still
of
at Tulsa.
casings found on scene fired from the.
This is gonna be the biggest, the most difficult decision talking or not.
From
The
Knox's
problem is I didn't shoot him.
assault rifle.
Well, I shot around him.
Okay.
No,
They
you
were in a
shot at
vehicle.
the
If
vehicle.
they shoot the
Yeah, I
vehicle,
shot-
the
I
shells
shot at
fall
the
outside
vehicle.
car or in the vehicle.
Projectiles.
But isn't
would
that
be
illegal?
found, maybe not the case.
Warning shots illegal. Shooting them's
Okay.
illegal.
You'd have to find where the
No,
projectile
you
landed.
state vehicle.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I had a good faith belief to use deadly force because I believe seeing a class
Yeah,
three
the
blah
reason
blah
I
blah
didn't
blah
do
blah
any
blah blah.
JSR
Yes.
was there was
Yes.
no comms about anyone shooting or anything.
Yeah, it sounds like there wasn't a lot of investigating at all. No comms, no questions. Basic forensics.
No, we got forensics. We've done the investigation on our part. It was up. If he's gonna shoot someone, then he should say on the radio, "These guys are shooting at me." It's not up to us to say it for him. Respectfully, Your Honor.
Well, I think this is about the time we find out.
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Croc,
Yes, Your Honor.
do you wish to give a statement or use your Fifth Amendment right?
Let me double check with my lawyer before I give you a correct answer, Your Honor. What do you
Okay.
think?
Either works. I think you put it in the hands of Coyote if you say nothing. But I think you tell your truth. I think you can articulate what you need to articulate.
You tell me
Just
what to do.
Answer
I'm
the
doing it.
questions. Go on the stand. Answer
Okay.
the questions that are asked. Don't answer extra shit.
Your Honor, I would like to speak.
All right. Well, luckily for you, if you would have pleaded the Fifth right there, I'd have found you guilty right here on the spot. So,
Woo!
congratulations. Croc, you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you something?
How you doing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Explain yourself.
I had a good faith belief, Your Honor, to use deadly force because I believed upon seeing a class 3 weapon on the two suspects in the vehicle and them refusing orders and attempting to flee in the vehicle that they posed a serious and imminent threat to others and officers in the general vicinity. The two people in the vehicle were affiliated with a gang that currently has a bounty on my head and had just kidnapped me and wounded me severely. I had been disarmed. I had just gotten out of the hospital. I pleaded for Deputy Commissioner Knox to raise his firearm, but he was looking at his MDT instead. In an effort to save the life of those around me for the imminent threat, I grabbed his firearm as I was disarmed myself and had no firearm, made lawful commands for Taco Prince and Alex Royce to step out of the vehicle. They responded, saying, "Give me a reason." After identifying 2 AK-47s on the back of the suspect's vehicle, with them disobeying multiple lawful commands, and given that less than 15 minutes ago, I was just held captive in the home base operations of Little Seoul, in that moment, I used my good faith belief to use deadly force as I saw the Class 3 and there was an imminent threat to others and officers.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't get good faith, though, huh?
We do have State v. Garner, though, Your Honor.
Yeah, we do have that.
Well, that's for everybody, not
Also,
just
we do-
officers.
yeah, I mean-
Well, currently, he's a person.
So I don't remember what I actually said. I actually don't remember what I fucking said. It's been so long. It was like a bit. I wasn't like thinking critically. I was just fucking doing it. Okay. I don't remember what I actually said. I could be telling the truth or lying.
No, I'm not gonna call it right now. I won't move this along.
I don't remember the words.
You got any questions for Croc?
For the SOPs, are we supposed to be firing at any individual without a firearm in hand?
SOPs aren't laws. Come on now.
Yeah, but it shows intent.
Okay, I'll entertain it.
Am I answering the question?
Yes.
The SOPs state multiple case laws, such as State v. Garner, which then indicates that
That's not my question.
that's in an SOP.
There's something specific in our SOPs that states something about firing at an unarmed individual and whether or not you should do it.
The SOPs that I'm familiar with and referring to list State v. Garner. It was discovered when I resubmitted the entire SOPs with my edits to you.
Okay.
And they were not
Why
unarmed.
didn't apprehend them? Why didn't he continue chase or call it out, stuff like that? If they had weapons.
What efforts did you make to de-escalate the situation?
I told them to step out of the vehicle. I told them to surrender. They threatened me and egged me on, saying, "Give me a reason." They continued to disobey lawful orders to surrender. They were armed with Class 3 rifles on their persons. I made an immediate action after taking reasonable steps to de-escalate, to save people from the imminent threat that was to others and officers in the vicinity.
I have a question, if it's allowed.
Yeah.
Was any sort of weapon pointed towards you or in your direction by the individuals in the car? Hello?
I'm thinking of my answer.
Oh, okay.
Just answer the damn question. You were there. You seen it.
I'm just trying to make sure I don't minus 1,000 my speech. I opened fire based on the perceived threat that the suspects possessed a firearm.
That's not what he asked you. Answer the question.
A firearm was not actively pointed at me.
Were any of the suspects at the time holding a firearm or weapon in their hands?
In their hands.
Hold on. Can I just object on the fact of just having like a fourth counsel added over there?
What, so?
Okay.
What was the question?
Were any of the suspects, or rather did any of the suspects have weapons actively in their hands at the time?
The suspects did not actively have the Class 3 rifle in their hand because they were in a vehicle.
Sure. Did you feel like your life was in danger?
Absolutely, including other people that were around me, including my fellow officers distracted on an MDT tablet, and the civilians in the general vicinity.
Look at his hero.
I have a question, but I might fuck everything up.
All right, I'm down for it.
What is the standard operating procedure if you see an individual or two individuals with class 3 weapons? You normally go by yourself and engage? He's the chief, no?
Sorry, can you say that question again?
Yeah, I want to hear it again. Do it again. Do it again.
1 second. Am I throwing mic?
I think he's. Would you like me to ask it for you?
No. I want AJ to do it.
Okay.
Basically, what I'm trying to say here is, what is the normal protocol if you see an individual with a class 3 or multiple individuals with class 3s?
You should immediately draw your firearm. What I did not have, which I tried to get Knox to do, but he did not want to and refused to draw his firearm, as I was unarmed myself. I drew a firearm with class 3's presence. I made a move for an arrest by aiming my firearm at the people who were armed and dangerous. The violent felons that Knox himself said were in the vehicle. And I moved in for an arrest. And
why did you not call in for backup?
I did not have the opportunity to. I felt like my life was in danger. I had to take an imminent and immediate action there and then.
Your Honor, I have questions for him as well. That might help.
Additionally,
when they finish, I'll go to you.
Okay.
I tried to get backup. The person who I was relying on for backup, Deputy Commissioner Knox, was of no use to the situation and did not assist me.
Damn.
Okay. I have a question. Recalling the incident at hand, would you do the same thing?
As in, if it was one-to-one?
Exactly as you did.
Croc, why are you acting like you're like a toddler getting asked questions?
I'm just making sure I get it right because I have a tendency to minus 1,000 myself, Your Honor, and there's a lot on the line for me.
Okay.
If the situation was exactly the same, 1-to-1, I would trust the decisions that I made. If I'm trying to word this correctly as possible without throwing myself under the bus, Your Honor, if you can understand.
It's like you're trying to talk to a voice to text to get the text to come out perfect.
I can see how you could think that way, Your Honor. There's a lot of pressure right now. I can't clearly answer the question as in what would do in the future in the exact same scenario. It's unfair for me to answer that question. I can't give you an accurate answer.
Looking back on the situation, would you have opened fire on them again?
With the facts that I have and the laws that protect us, given that there was an imminent danger to those surrounding us, including myself, yes. I would use the right of state v. Ghana. I can't say no. I wouldn't.
After you left the hospital, could you just tell me your actions again? Why did you run towards that specific vehicle when there was multiple there? Running past our police car.
I have no idea what you mean by that.
After you received medical, why'd you go towards that specific black four-door?
I didn't. I was standing next to Knox and the black four-door vehicle approached us.
Okay.
Doing great, AJ. Doing great.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I'm being questioned by not Ravage, AJ. Fucking K. Fuck you.
Was the can you describe what the vehicle was doing prior to you opening fire and then?
No, let AJ ask it.
Okay.
What the fuck? Sorry, sir. What do I have to ask?
I want a question about the vehicle's motion during the shoot.
We should also question what he would charge somebody who takes a weapon off somebody and then fires a weapon.
Okay, I've got a question then.
Look at them conspiracy to fuck me. You're conspiring to fuck me right now.
Stop firing at the vehicle?
Because I received an order from Deputy Commissioner not to. And then I was tackled and put into handcuffs before I could explain myself.
Can you describe the motion of the vehicle during the shooting?
I gave the vehicle lawful orders to stop, exit, and surrender with their hands up. They reversed slightly.
That's not what he asked you.
It's coming to it. It's what the vehicle was doing. I'm going from start to end what this vehicle was doing, Your Honor. Full clarity.
Yeah, tell us what the vehicle's doing, not what you were telling the vehicle to do.
The vehicle was reversing and then stopped, engaged in conversation with me whilst I was giving them lawful orders, reversed back slightly more, stopped, still refused to step out of the car and leave. I told them what was going to happen. They refused to get out. I invoked State v. Gunner. They started leaving. And then I was tackled. They left the vicinity completely.
I have one question.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. While the vehicle approached you, did you fully identify the two individuals in the car before you started opening fire on them?
Yeah, the driver was Taco Prince. The passenger was Alex Suarez.
And how did you identify this?
With my eyes.
Did the individuals have masks on?
The individuals were wearing chain gang chains and were wearing half covered faces. Half mask covered faces, and were not really trying to hide their identity. They were wearing typical clothing that these two individuals have constantly been seen in. They're driving vehicles that are familiar with the organization of Chain Gang. They spoke in their normal voices that I have known for years at this point.
What did those voices sound like?
Oh, sure, absolutely. So we have Alex Suarez. Yo, man, why the fuck you shooting me, bro? I'm a hardcore fucking gangster. What the fuck is wrong with you? Bro, I'm gonna go to court. I'm gonna sue your ass. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna sue the fuck out of you, you fucking pussy. And then we got talking like, hey, yeah, that right, bro?
How'd he sound?
Hey, Rami, why you always fucking spitting, bro? Like, what the fuck you doing, bro? Rami, why you always trying to fucking piss me off? Nah, dead ass, nah, Gio, what are you doing, Gio? Gio, what's going on, brother?
That sounds like them.
Did the person with the camera sound like a Karen?
Oh, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. 100%.
Yeah, I see that as a good idea on Suarez.
Thank you for helping me. Oh, my God.
Y'all got any more questions?
That area where those three individuals walked in and started cleaning, can you check those areas, see if they planted anything?
I forgot what he sounds like when he laughs.
Any questions?
Why did you take the firearm from the deputy commissioner?
I had been disarmed by Chain Gang moments before. I had just exited the hospital. I seeked Deputy Commissioner Knox to raise his firearm at the threat that I had imminently identified. He ignored the advice that I had given to focus on his MDT tablet. It was the only option to save the lives of imminent danger, including myself, as there was an active bounty against me.
Was anyone else harmed during this incident?
A speculation. I cannot give you an accurate answer because I was in handcuffs and could not investigate.
During your detainment, did you hear any gunfire?
I cannot recall.
No further questions.
Defense?
Yep. Croc, can you explain the imminent threat that you saw that sought you to seek Deputy Commissioner Knox's firearm?
The 2 AK-47s in possession of Taco Prince, an active warrant, and a highly dangerous felon, Alex Suarez.
Is it legal in this state to carry those weapons?
Negative. It is the charge Class 3, possession of a firearm Class 3 in relation to full two-handed automatic rifles.
Yeah, for sake of brevity, Your Honor, that's all I got.
Come on, man. My job's on the fucking line. Ask me more questions.
You can't shoot. You can't shoot a rifle at one hand.
It's possible, sir, but
Well, that's how real men shoot AKs at one hand. Maybe not.
if they
You got any other
TikTok
questions?
gangsters, they might, Your Honor.
They might.
A clarifying question, Croc. At the time that you took these actions, did you feel that your life was in danger?
Yes, and others around me.
And at the time that you took these actions, were you acting as a law enforcement officer?
Yes, I was acting as the chief of police.
That's all I got, Your Honor.
My witness is gonna look so bad on all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Right?
Don't. I have my closing be ready to go, Your Honor. That's all.
I don't
have
think
for
we're doing
Croc.
closing.
Yeah, I'll let y'all have a closing.
Oh yeah, then we're doing closing.
I need to escort you to a safe room.
All right.
What
I
the
got a
hell?
couple
Can you escort
questions
me
for
to a
you
safe
there.
room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Croc. Were you aware that Suarez was wanted?
I was wasn't thinking about his warrants at the time. No, Your Honor.
Because in your earlier statement, you were talking about it was two individuals that were wanted, and one was a wanted, and the other one was Taco. Like, you said that.
I did, Your Honor.
So you did know they were wanted?
There are multiple members of Chang Gang that were wanted. Yes.
So see my confusion, right?
I can understand your confusion, Your Honor. What I meant, what I could probably meant when I said that is multiple members of Chang Gang are actively and currently wanted. The actions of I was also currently wanted by them, and then additionally, Your Honor, how do I word it? These motherfuckers are always wanted, Your Honor.
I don't know how I could have just thrown you such a large pass and you fumbled it. All right. Anybody got any other questions before we move this to closing?
I'd like to hear a little bit more from Croc if he has more to say, seeing as I feel like
You got any more to say?
I'm gonna follow the advice of my lawyer. What does my lawyer say?
I
can't hear him.
He's not talking.
Croc, I would encourage you to step off the stand. I believe you said everything you need to say.
Can I
Hey,
just,
whoever that is, 2 years. Contempt of court.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, real quick, may I have a small double check with my lawyer before I confirm that I do not wish to talk or plead the fifth from this point? Well, not plead the fifth, but get off the stand.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
While they do that, Your Honor.
Can you not hear me?
Due to the
I
fact
can hear
that
you
we
now.
have a
What are you
threat
saying?
against the courtroom, would you mind if we stop
You should
broadcasting?
just
Yeah.
step off the
I heard that.
Came in,
Yeah,
what
but
the
I
fuck?
think-
Two years
look,
contempt.
I think we
Goodbye,
need to get
stream,
over. Like, we
goodbye.
haven't talked about how I was just kidnapped
What
by
do we
Chang
think,
Gang.
chat?
Oh,
we got to put that in closing.
All right, come here. Me, just step right here.
I don't either. There's no way you put up a camera and can't pick it up.
Okay.
Oh wait, yeah, I can. Never mind.
So all they
Gotta,
have
gotta
done
end the
is
stream. What do we think, chat?
all they have done is argued.
Thanks for the
SOP.
10
Abusing
gifts.
the chat.
I am arguing the
100
burdens
gifted
of
and we
proof
keep
for your
this bitch
charges.
rolling.
Yeah, you got 20
They're
seconds.
trying to get you to
Make it
keep
200
talking because they
gifted.
want you to just make a mistake. You've done really
Go
good
big or
so
go
far.
home.
Yeah, you fumbled that one there, but honestly, I think there's a lot of jumbled
I'm cheap.
information
I'll
through
take
here.
50.
I'll take 25. What are you talking about?
So again, I will lean on you if you want to continue.
I'm cheaper
Continue.
again.
But I believe in closing,
I know,
all they've
boss, so it
argued
makes it even better.
is bullshit SOPs.
Really quick, there's a very serious, incredible threat to you,
All right, let's do this long.
especially
What
if
you
you win
decided?
this. So we're gonna have to get you out of here quick.
Okay. Well,
Could you say that louder so that how long has this threat been around, Lane?
Probably 5 minutes.
Let's try to
Oh,
get
he's had
through
a bounty
this.
all day?
Your Honor, I have
Sorry,
nothing more.
Croc.
I have nothing more to say. I trust my lawyer will
Okay.
complete in closing.
All right, do y'all have any? Y'all need
You
time
can't-
to do
you-
your closing? Are y'all ready to go?
What the fuck you
I
going
can slam
against
it.
me?
All right, you gonna improv it?
Let's get it done.
All right, defense. You need time? Are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's hear it.
The actions here we've heard at the court today justifies it was an unlawful shoot. The suspects were in a retreating motion when he
I'm
opened
fucking
fire.
losing, bro.
There was no direct threat. There may have been words exchanged, but there was no visible threat. As we have heard that there were no weapons currently in their hands during the time of the shoot. They were making a motion away from him as a retreating individual would. Regardless of the warrants, Garner would also pretty
It's
much
crazy how much they switched up on me.
justify the
I
shoot
got
if
switched
they
up
were
on
a
so
direct and imminent threat,
much.
which they appeared and showed no evidence of doing so. So the firing from Knox's weapon in his hands towards these individuals would be, while maybe as a sworn dutied officer, unjustified in the sense that it is aggravated assault and battery.
You gotta go in with the mens rea.
That's all I got.
Okay.
Squeak.
Defense.
Alrighty, Your Honor. Today, the state has presented nothing more than SOPs. As far as the burdens of proof to the two charges that Croc is facing, the burdens of proof stand for unlawful use of force or violence. At the time, Crocodile Steve was acting as a law enforcement officer following State v. Garner on two individuals who had clear and present Class 3 weapons, as well as being surrounded by officers who were too busy on their tablet. He made an effort to keep them safe. For Croc here, following the incident, the individuals and himself, well, there was not a clear investigation done by the cops. It was a speed run to put Croc in the cells, to schedule a press conference, and to try to throw him under a bus. Your Honor, Croc may not be a perfect person, but in this instance, the defense believes he was following State v. Garner as a law enforcement officer, doing a lawful action at the time to engage two threats that were clearly showing Class 3 weapons, which is a crime, and he made an active decision to protect himself and those around him. There was no malice. There was no intent of Croc to wildly go after the public and the populace. Instead, he was focused on a clear and imminent threat that was directly presented in front of him.
All right, I'm gonna go in the back and deliberate on this. This isn't one of those cases where I kind of already have my mind made up before I go back. I actually don't have my mind made up.
Oh,
I'm gonna do a little bit of reading, a little bit looking to the walls, and I'll be returning.
Oh shit.
Is the camera still rolling? All right, listen. Who wants to be Croc when we walk out this door?
Hey, listen. Can we talk about how all four of you fucking ganging up on me right now?
I didn't ask a single question.
Croc, I hate doing this. I hope you know it.
Mac, what the fuck, man? Let's have each other's back.
You right?
Yeah,
It sucks when you get surrounded in public and charged for some bullshit, don't it?
I say.
Well, was it in
We're
public?
also meant to hold each other accountable, Croc.
What I would
feel like
suggest
you
we
all
do.
You didn't even
forgot this guy
investigate.
Also had a bounty placed on his head.
Croc,
and
I
had
put
been
you in the
fucking
car and you
shot multiple
immediately
times
said you were
today.
pleading the fifth.
Yeah, because I'm being quiet. Do I know what the fuck's going on? You put me in handcuffs.
I would have done the same thing.
Okay.
We did investigate. We got statements from everybody involved.
Judge can hear you.
The judge can hear y'all, by the way.
You didn't even give me a chance to let me explain myself. You immediately look, let's go over here and crash out. Let's go over here and crash out. I love you. No, I don't love you. I have no fucking emotions. Fucking come over here.
I painted it like you're a fucking iPad kid, Knox.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys are painting it like I'm fucking completely clueless to my surroundings
Well,
whenever I'm on
because
the
literally,
MPT.
your statement was you had no fucking clue what happened. You were looking at your
They
tablet.
literally fucking pulled up and parked their fucking car, and then he just was like, "Oh, let me fucking spray
That's
it down." and
not
rip
what
my
happened.
gun off.
That's not
Your
what happened.
statement is, I'm an iPad kid.
It's not what I said. I
Look,
never said I'm an iPad
Look, fellas,
kid.
let's just get down to it here, right? What has happened here today is, was I a perfect person? No one is perfect here, but there wasn't even a, yo, Croc, what was going on? Yo, Croc, what was the site? You just put me in handcuffs. You wouldn't even let me get my side of the story. You're on the iPad. You didn't even trust my judgment. You wouldn't even let me do my thing. I'm not stupid. I wouldn't have done anything malicious. You know that. I held everyone accountable. I strike myself. I was meant to give myself a strike because I didn't process someone's gun. Despite it was still being cold, I always strike myself when I fuck up. You think I can't go around and fucking throw out fires left and right, suspend people here and there for accountability, and then cry when it happens to me? The problem isn't that you're holding me accountable. I asked you to always do so. I hope I've proven that through my track record and my career. The problem is that you just arrested me without even asking. You just assumed I was guilty. Just assumed that
Croc,
this
I put you in
well-fucked chief of
handcuffs so you didn't
police.
shoot anybody else.
Croc,
He
did you
was a
ask
threat.
Lane if he was guilty or not when you tried to arrest him in front of 15 officers?
I
Croc,
didn't
when we
arrest
did your
him.
Garrity
Is it
interrogation, you
what? Is this a
literally said you
vendetta?
couldn't legitimize the shoot.
Is this
Okay,
No, I'm merely
really
making a
quick, really
point.
quick. Knox and Croc, check your text.
I saw what you said, but my
Let me see
phone
what
is
you
fucking
said.
slow as hell. Look, Croc, I got a gingerbread suit and an elf suit. Whichever one you want, I'll wear the other.
It's important.
Well, I'm whispering.
It's a severe and imminent threat, Croc.
And then Ray Lee's gonna wear all of your clothes.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Drop
Actually,
the charges
that might be
and
a
I will.
bad pick, 'cause
Drop,
he's got-
drop the charges and
Give it to me.
You're about to
Give
go
it to me.
get fucking assassinated the second you walk out that door.
Oh,
You
I
want
know.
his charges
You've
dropped
look.
and-
Yeah, look
Yeah,
what you've done
you know
for me.
what? I
You've
would
gone
take-
out there.
I would,
I didn't do this to
You
you.
put charges on me.
You think this wouldn't happen if I didn't put you in handcuffs? You think that they wouldn't have just
As
came
soon as
back
they
on
put
the
me in,
spot?
you're worried about them coming back and shooting us, but I shot at them. You're not worried about the fucking drama that's gonna happen when you put me in handcuffs like that. They fucking fell for that bait immediately. They fell into
y'all
it.
Y'all scheduled a press
A
conference.
press conference, and you're shocked that this is
Commissioner
happening,
scheduled the press conference,
and you did
was
it.
I came here.
His judge is back.
All right, judge is back. Judge is back.
Fuck.
Fucking asshole.
I'm guilty. I'm calling it now. I'm guilty. Rest in peace, fucking Croc. He was
All
quick
right, I
though.
went in the back and I pondered on this. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm guilty. I'm
I
guilty.
will say the amount of officers that I see over here that are going against Croc, it's kind of overwhelming to me considering that my past five court cases, getting more than one cop to show up as a witness has been like pulling teeth. I don't know what's going on here between you guys and him. I'm not saying there is anything going on, but it's odd to me. But it has nothing to do with guilt or not guilt. Now, what's odd to me about Croc's story is he said that the individuals were armed with AKs on their back. But they're in their car, and the guns are on their back. Now, Tennessee
I've
versus
lost.
Gardner says the individuals has to be an immediate threat to anyone in their surroundings.
It's over. God damn it.
Although those guns could simplify an
It's a
immediate
loss.
threat, I don't think they would on their back. But then this case gets a little more weirder than that, because you didn't have any Miranda rights read to Croc. You had his Garrity rights read to him. And then I go back and look in the case file, and I have the whole entire Garrity report in his case file against him. Do y'all know what a Garrity Act is? What that case law is even for? The case law is strictly for you to interview someone about their job position, so it can't be
This
used
is flipping
against
against
them
me?
in the court of law. And the first thing in his case file is the full statements of the Garrity Act and what he said. This is a mistrial. I cannot rule in this.
Oh no!
Case closed. You got to refile charges, do something. I can't rule in this.
Way to go, Buck.
Oh, this is worse than This is worse than guilty.
Hold on.
This is worse than guilty because now you're gonna get assassinated and then you're still gonna have to come back.
That's great.
I can't find him guilty.
We have to run this all back.
All right.
Oh, hell no.
You have the opportunity here.
No.
Well, let's talk. Look, let's get somewhere safe and let's have a conversation.
Here, come-
by the way.